gotta quickly open it. It's got another Vera 15. I think they sent me the wrong model. It's for Vera. So this is how an actuator looks like. Actuator in a car. It's powered by a motor. It's a motor here. This is where the power goes in to the motor. You either spin it positive or negative. Take out the motor and use it somewhere else because these things we don't throw away. We can make use of it in the near future because the model also costs quite a lot of money to buy one. This is pretty good model. Pretty good.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe